Are you madam?
Hi, madam.
Madam and sometimes is sometimes.
You're madam?
No.
What is your name? What is your name, madam? Madam?
Charm. Pangit ka? Aray!
Sinong madam? Sige, lagot ka. Ay, pangit si Charmy.
Boy.
Sino?
Ah, ikaw, pangit ka, hindi ako. Pangit si Charm. Aray! Aray ko, sakit. Aray ko. Tama na.
Sinong bading?
Si Ato.
Sinong bading?
Si Ato. Si Ate. Bebe. Si Marco.
Bading ako?
Mm-mm.
Paano ako naging bading?
Tingka.
Si Tito Eric. Ano si Tito Eric?
Bading.
Bakit nasa ilalim ka ng table?
Are you a dog or a cat?
Ay, pangit.
Pangit! Pangit!
No pangit.
Pangit si Charm! Pangit! Wala na to eh.
Charm, pangit.
Bakla!
Hi, Charm. Charm, pangit ka daw. Sino nagsabi? Pangit ka ba? Sorry ka na, baby. Sino pangit? Maganda ka ba? Huh? Sige na. O, sing ka na lang. What is your name? Ay, ano yung kinakook mo? What's that, Charm? Cake?
Hasta
Where are you going?
up. This here.
What do you want to do?
Another one had budget.
Okay.
But I have a lot of this height.
Hearts. You want to cook hearts?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Huh?
Let's go up.
Yeah. Okay. Stand up. Ay. Baby.
Doorbell, 1 minute ah.